Alright guys, so we got a lot of important updates to talk in this video. This is not my usual setup. I am away as of right now. So we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first, Grass Airdrop is coming tomorrow on October 28th. I will take you the video to go and claim it, to go and check everything. But as of right now, there is a limited promotion only for my ByBit followers and supporters. So all you gotta do, first come, first serve. Only 10 eligible wallet. We got 12 hours to go, 13 hours to go, so make sure that you go and sign up to ByBit. Make a new account, and all you gotta do is you will receive $20 worth of free Grass Airdrop. So make sure to go and do it because it can go 5x, 6x, 10x, and this is $20. You do not need to trade, you don't need to do anything. All you gotta do is deposit $100 and just wait. No trading, no locking, just deposit $100 and you will receive, make a new ByBit account. You deposit from another exchange, from MetaMask, on your new ByBit account through the link down below, very, very important. You will receive yourself the $20 worth of Grass Airdrop. So a very nice promotion in partnership with ByBit, as I am partnered with them. So make sure to go and do it. Make sure to take advantage of it. Grab your free Grass Airdrop before everyone else. Following up, another important update is the GBT Reward. Also this one, this is the most hyped up airdrop in terms of the ZK ecosystem. This is backed by ZK ecosystem. We got billions of fundings. They got a lot of orders. They got venture capital behind it. They got everybody. So this is going to be an exchange airdrop. And as of right now, it is extremely easy to enter. It is free. You simply need to sign up. The link is down below. Go and collect points, go and collect your rewards, go and do all the tasks as we see here. If you have people to share it or come to my Telegram, free to join, link in the description. Make sure to go and complete the quest, grab your boxes. We got all the quests over here. As you guys seen that you do it, you get ecosystem points, you get raffle tickets, you have the possibility to get better rewards and some early quests. It is free. Do not miss it. Do not tell me in the comments, oh, but an exchange, will it be available over here? Will it be available in the UK? Will it be available in France? Just do it. It is free. There's no money involved. So it is very, very important to go and do it. And do not miss a free opportunity, just like Grass. In case you've missed it, do not miss any single free opportunity. This is very, very important. Following up, we also have the Supra Airdrop. As we see here, if you have participated in the Supra Airdrop, it is time to go and get your checker, sign up, check your allocation, and let me know down in the comments below how much you did receive for this airdrop. Also, another important information is the ABS airdrop over here. The testnet is live. The abstract airdrop is coming very, very soon. And it is an important airdrop. And why is it an important airdrop? Well, we can see it over here that I do have my bookmarks and important situation. We got the abstract blockchain early bridge. So make sure to go over here. We got the waitlist, testnet live. Click over here, connect and check out how to connect your wallet, how to participate in the testnet. We then have the mainnet coming soon, and there will be the possibility for you, once you've done it, to go and participate for an early bird NFT, to go and grab rewards, which it is very important. Another thing that we have done over here, it is the possibility to mint yourself a Citadel NFT, which is super, super important. You can claim the Fortress 4 NFT claim. And there is a quiz. Now the quiz is very easy. As you see here, you simply gives you red or green to go and do it. So once you click on the green, click on continue and mint the NFT. There's various different questions. As you see here, true or false, and all you gotta do is simply check for the right one and you're good to go. So click on continue. You see, it is very easy. If you do it wrong, you try the other one and it is good. So make sure to do it. Also this one, a very, very important airdrop update. But of course, the most important thing is we got the Grass Airdrop finally. I cannot wait for tomorrow. Let's see whether it launches at $1, $2, $3. It is going to be, in my opinion, huge. $1, it's already very nice. Let's go and see whether we're able to claim it, whether we're able to sell it, what we're gonna do with it. Are we gonna stake it? I am still in question in terms, are we going to sell it or are we going to hold it? Let me know in the comments below what you're going to do with it. Another important thing, we got the Glacier IODON nodes, which you can apply now. And for the application of this one, we've seen it before. It is a point system airdrop, which we have already participated in it. We have seen it, as you see over here, with the referral links, the points. If you have not yet joined, make sure to go and join and complete these missions, which are very simple. Complete the Galaxy campaign, chat to the LLM models, which is a step-by-step walkthrough easy procedures to go and do. And then we got the invites in case you have the possibility to invite. We got season 1, now we have season 2. So make sure to go and support me if you wish to. Once again, it is free, it is a referral link, yes, but thank you very much if you go and do it. And then to go and become a node participant, make sure to go and insert all of your information. How do we contact you? For example, email associated above, for example, organization name, none, Ethereum address to verify the node application, go and put this one, place your database, and so on. And it is very simple. This is another free to earn airdrop that we have the possibility to go and do, which are very, very important. There's also another update, but it's not so much interesting that I did wanted to talk to you about, but Magic Eden airdrop is coming over on Solana, and it is going to be huge. Now, in terms of huge airdrops that I am participating in, as you can see here, and we talked about it before, if you do want to participate, this is a great airdrop in my opinion. Quinto, as we see over here, it is a very, very nice airdrop. We got the possibility of a decent and very much under-farmed airdrop in order to go and grab it. And all you gotta do is simply $100 to go and participate, and then you will place yourself in the leaderboard, and with the leaderboard you will receive yourself points, you will receive yourself Quinto point depending on how much you deposit. And in this one, for example, I do have my $4,000 in it, and as we see here, we got the overview of how everything is looking within the 7-day period, which I did deposit 3.8K in terms of USDC stablecoin over here. I participate only with stable coins, not with any other token, simply because I want to have a easy to go and utilize, airdrop to go and keep my portfolio and my asset all in a stablecoin. Another one that I do is Camino, and I will leave you the Quinto airdrop link down below as well, of course. But also Camino, this one, we participate in it already, but why am I participating in the Camino? Not much for the Camino points, which I am accumulating nicely, and the ranking is what it is. I'm not looking at the Camino point ranking, but I'm doing this for the possibility, sorry, I had a hiccup over there, for the possibility of the Meteora, as we see here. Everything is within Meteora, so I am utilizing my liquidity to get Meteora point. The point of Meteora, you do grab them by everything that you submit in terms of daily volume, as well as the fees that you collect. So I go Jupiter and Solana. These are my two main games in terms of airdrop, in terms of liquidity as it stands right now. But very, very interested to go and see how that plays out. But with that said, guys, make sure that you do grab yourself the Grass airdrop down below. Now, Grass, it is going to be huge. We are going to have the, even if it is $20 worth of airdrop, it is still free. You simply gotta sign up, deposit $100, and then those $100 you can take it out, so you get a 20% free airdrop, $20 free airdrop in terms of moment of launching. When it's going to launch even later, it is going to be even better. So do not miss it. Very, very important. And thank you everybody for the wishes that you made me on the last video. I am feeling better, so thank you very much for it. With that said, I will see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.